To add layout to your interactive experience, simply go to the left toolbar and click on Layout. A basic layout structure consists of one row with one or multiple columns. Both will take up a defined amount of space that you can change at will. Simply choose a row and drag it into your canvas. Before you release your cursor, you can see that .wu indicates where your row will be placed. Imagine that you would now like to do a max width section. You can do that by right-clicking the row, going into row style, and defining a specific width in pixels. Ideally, we would like to center its position in the column. To do that, you right-click the column, go into column style, find the alignment section, and click on the center point. If you would like to add an extra column, you can do that by right-clicking the row and clicking Add Column. To adjust the width of the column, you can simply click and drag the border, or right-click the column, go into column style, and set a specific width. You can then copy the width and paste the style onto other columns. If you wish to center your content vertically, you can right-click the row, go into column style, and choose a center point. If you wish to set a minimum height, you can also do that by right-clicking the column, go into column style, and give it a specific height. If you then set the width of the column to 0, you suddenly have two columns perfectly aligned to the center vertically and horizontally. We also allow you to control visibility and breakpoints. You can control the breakpoints in a row by right-clicking the row and going into visibility. Here you can set a specific breakpoint for all of your columns. Now when you resize the page, you'll notice that at 500 pixels, the columns will break. To get rid of the minimum height column, you can right-click the column, go into visibility, and say that you only want to show this component if the screen is bigger than 500 pixels. If we turn off Reveal All, you'll see that you have a responsive layout.